Well, good evening. Just wrapping up a 12-hour day in the greenhouse, but I wanted to show you a few um, combo planters, some mixed containers that are they're going to be going to a customer who has shade. So I just want to quickly show you these containers and just show you some of the, just to give you a little idea. As far as what you can do for containers in the shade. Most of the things that we do are in the sun, but a lot of you have shade. So I've got these two containers. There's a bigger one and then a smaller one, and they don't need to be exactly alike. But the customer wanted something. It's kind of like this big brother little brother thing going on. So they're similar but different, and they have this great big beautiful wraparound porch. And it's screened in, so it's very, very shaded. It's just a beautiful setting overlooking the lake, and these are inside that porch area, that screened in porch. So very, very little sunlight. So what we're doing is we're taking and using a lot of the begonias and impatiens that will perform well in a setting like that. And they have their cabin has lots of yellows and reds and greens around the outside, and I don't know if it's kind of like a Scandinavian theme, but so went through, and I love wax begonias. I've told you that they just perform well. We've got the tuberous begonias in there, in the kind of the peachy orangish and yellows, and this plant here is the hypostases, and it's really we've only done these for a few years, but they're really one of my favorites. I absolutely love them. This is just a kind of like a white and green speckled, but there's a lot of different like reds and like pinks, and they're really cool looking. So I love using those in anytime I can, and they take shade. So you can't be mixed in with like a geranium planter or something like that. But so again, these are all things for shade. The coleus can take the shade. Again, the wax begonias, the impatiens, and on the bigger one, I tried not to crowd it. I've got, they don't need them till probably the end of the month, so we've got plenty of grow time. And I tend to plant a little bit heavier. Amy will plant a little lighter. It's just a difference in style. But so this is the bigger container, and again, just they're similar because they're going to be in the kind of in the same area, but they can be a little bit different. So in the coleus, I changed it up just a little bit, just gave them a little different flavor. So just to give you an idea, I know somebody was asking, or a few of you have asked about container ideas, and that's just something that, well, I thought I'd do a little live video to show you that, give you some ideas. And behind here on these benches, the girls have been working and doing up different combo planters, and we've got these really cool watering cans in all different colors, and we're getting those together. There's lots of planters over here, so they're looking good. They're growing really well. The girls have been busy. So just want to give you a look at that, and we'll take a little bit more time, but I'm just kind of finishing up my greenhouse day. I got a few more hours of work to work on the computer side of the Beat Your Neighbor website, but I just wanted to show this, finish up my greenhouse day with a few customer orders here. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night.